I'm George Nickoletos, sales specialist over here at Miller Motorcars, Alfa Romeo of Greenwich. I'll be talking to you guys today about the 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Ti. Today we'll be looking at the front grille, the iconic V-shaped Alfa Romeo grille, very distinguished, traditional grille that is unique on the road. When you see this V grille, you know it's an Alfa Romeo. Over here we have the LED lights, daytime running lights that are standard in all Stelvios. Under the hood of our 2022 Stelvio Ti, we have a 280 horsepower, 4-cylinder engine. These engines are made in Modena, Italy, where this dates back to the early 1900s with our Alfa Romeo racing history. We have the red calibers, come standard on the cars, 20-inch aluminum 5-hole classic rims. Over here we have the Ti badge, which is new on the 2022. We have remoteless keyless entry. Also, remote start access comes standard on all 2022 Stelvio Ti's. If you prefer to use your cell phone, we also have the Alfa Romeo Alfa Connect app, which could do the same thing. So now we're inside the Stelvio. I'd like to introduce you guys to our infotainment area. We have an 8.8-inch screen with navigation. Everything is touchscreen, as you can see. This car comes with standard wireless chargers. Also comes with a TomTom navigation, which is standard in all 2022 Stelvios. You could override our navigation with Apple Play and Google Android Play. Standard in our 2022 Stelvio Ti, we have 6-way powered seating. Front and rear heated seats. This way you and your passengers are comfortable during your long drives during the wintertime. You see we're in the back seat of the car. Down here we have 2 buttons to activate your rear heated seats. We also have 2 USB cords, so each one of your guests could charge both their phones at the same time. Over here we have a cup holder, so each guest in your back seat has an armrest and they can both put their beverage in the cup holder. I'm not the tallest person, but I have plenty of room, as you can see, between me and the passenger seat. It's quite roomy back here, a lot of headspace. The passengers also have a great panoramic view through the sunroof. Another great feature we have on the 2022 Stelvio Ti is the rear liftgate keyless entry. As you can see, we have tons of space. We also have additional space by simply lowering both seats. Also, the liftgate closes just by doing the same thing. Swiping your foot underneath. It's as simple as that. You'd be amazed to feel how this car handles on the road, especially when you're going around a turn, a tight turn, the handling. It's incredible. With the adaptive cruise control, you can set your desired speed as well as your desired distance between you and the next car. Once you do that, you're able to activate it. Once you activate everything, you're able to stay in your lane. The wheel will navigate itself based off reading the paint on either side of the highway. If you do take your hand off the wheel, it will turn yellow and then red after a few seconds and beep, letting you know that you are not steering the car. Once you keep your hand here and touch the wheel, it'll navigate you and keep you in your lane. Our 8-inch infotainment area, I have the navigation up. Everything is touchscreen, so you could zoom out, you could zoom in. If you're on long trips and you want to see how far you are from your destination, it's very convenient to pinch out, zoom in, whatever you need to see where you're going. Thank you for allowing me to spend some time with you guys to showcase our 2022 Stelvio. Come check out our showrooms, both in Greenwich and Westport. We'd love to show you around our lots and show you our inventory. Thank you.